This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker TTOO or T2 BioSystems. You can see they have been pretty volatile in pre-market here. This thing dipped as low as about 22 cents. Some buyers came back in here, bought it up, but it is starting to move lower again. So they just had their annual shareholder meeting, and a couple of the big proposals that I was looking at was the reverse stock split and also the debt conversion into equity, which would be dilution. Both of those got approved. So the reverse stock split, a ratio of 1:50 up to 1:150 has been approved. And then also the debt conversion into common stock has also been approved. So that's going to cause some dilution. So I'm not surprised here that we have ticked lower. And I wouldn't be surprised if there was a big sell-off here. Now, in the shareholder meeting, they were talking about they're going to try to organically meet the $1 NASDAQ minimum bid price requirement. But, if they're not able to, of course, they're going to have to do a reverse split to meet that requirement to stay on NASDAQ. There were a couple other questions that came up. One of them was, well, okay, the reverse split has been approved. When is it going to happen? And they really didn't give any timing on it. The answer was that we just have to notify the shareholders before we do the reverse split. But we don't have any timing around that right now. So we didn't really get an answer on that. And then also some people were asking about when is the bio threat, FDA approval going to come if it comes. And pretty much the CEO just said we're actively engaged with the FDA. We are expecting a positive outcome. We are expecting approval. But again, no timeline was issued. So there was no real guidance on when that will be approved if it does get approved. And then at the end, the CEO was just talking about how, these products that T2 is trying to push through and get FDA approval for, if they can get all of their FDA approvals that they're seeking, they're expecting this to be a multi-billion-dollar revenue generation. So that was kind of the closing statements there at the end of the shareholder meeting. So you can see they're starting to sell off here again. So no surprise again, a move lower because we got some dilution on the way with the debt conversion into common stock. And then we also have a possible reverse split coming. If they're not able to get FDA approval or something crazy doesn't happen and this thing doesn't rally up a massive amount here, we're going to have to get 300% or something like that, above 300% to get to $1. So something crazy doesn't happen, they're going to have to enact the reverse split to meet that $1 requirement. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker TTOO or T2 BioSystems. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.